I have a Honda Accord. It's going to get a rocker panel section. This is all crushed throughout this area. So they actually have a procedure here that I could cut it. I got to figure out exactly where, but it's right in this area. And then right below this hinge is where the new part will go in at. And it comes as a whole bottom rocker section, but I'll cut it where I need it. I'm going to mark this for my rough cuts first, just to get the bulk of it off, and then I'll trim it back from there. So I'm going to push some of this out. This is going to get trimmed back further, but I'm going to have to repair the edge of it, so I'm going to push it out now and get it close to where it's supposed to be. Alright, now I'm going to fit this up and I'm going to overlap each side and then make my final cut through both layers once I get it right where I want it. Now I'm going to lift this back off and finish my cuts the rest of the way. Put this door on here because I want to see how my gap looked across the bottom, and it looks nice up here. It gets a little wide in this area, so I'm gonna shift that up. I think this might be pulled down a little bit. I'm gonna bring all that up just a little bit, a couple millimeters, and I think I'll have a nice even gap. Got my gap across the bottom looking nice and even now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start welding this rocker section on.